Okay, I'm gonna show you how to buy GameStop or AMC stock. You're gonna want to get an investing app, a brokerage account. Um, One simple one is Robinhood. I'm pretty sure you've heard about it. I have a link in the bio that will tell you. That'll give you a link. You get a free shares or free stocks. Um, it's a link in the bio. You can just click it. It'll help you download Robinhood and it'll give you like $6 for free. But you go to here on search, the bottom. After you set up your account, you type in GME, that's a ticker symbol for GameStop, or AMC. You click the first thing right there, you press trade, and you press buy. And then from there, it's very simple, it's common sense. I am banned from Robinhood, so I can't really show you. There's also Webull. I have a link for that too. You get free stocks. It's like $12 for free. It's very simple. You would press search. On the top right, GME, AMC, either or. Bottom left, you press trade. Sorry. And then buy, limit price, and just how much it is at the moment. Quantity, 1 or 2. Then everything else is extended hours. It's either like pre-market or aftermarket. Just look more into it if you're curious about that. But when the market is open, this is how you do it. You press buy, then confirm. And then my favorite app is Thinkorswim, TOS. These are all on Android, all on Apple. Thinkorswim. Let me show you. Type in the same thing, GME, or whatever, or AMC. Press buy, top right. Quantity, I'm pretty sure not going to be buying 100, but I could be wrong. If you're buying 4 or whatever. Make sure it's not on sell, it's on buy. Limit, make sure you do this when the market's open. And you leave everything else how it is. You're going to just press confirm on the top right, and then you're going to buy it. And that is how you buy GameStop or AMC. And all these, let me show you again one more time. Robinhood, brokerage accounts. I have the link for Robinhood and Webull. You get free stocks if you use my link. Might as well just do it. It's free money. And then here's Webull. And then TOS is Thinkorswim, my favorite. So yeah.